The interesting thing about treaties and international law in general is it's very, it's distinct from the domestic legal systems that we live with, because everything in international law depends upon consent, as opposed to domestic legal systems. There's a parliament or a Congress, what have you. It passes laws. It doesn't check with you to see if you want to be bound by the law. It just passes laws, and you are bound by the law. And the same thing is true when the law is enforced. You know, if you disobey the law, if you speed or something, and they pull you over and they give you a ticket, you're expected to go to court. You don't get to say, "Well, I'm too busy today. I'm not coming to court." But in international law, as I tell my students, the magic word is consent, consent, consent. Every treaty that a country signs, an act of consent to be bound by that law. If there's a problem and you're seen to be not complying with the treaty, there's no police force.